Hello, my name is Trenton Beeh. For my senior capstone, I decided to create a design on the Santa Clara Pueblo Native Reservation in New Mexico. The title of my design is called the Capo Owingeh Cultural Center and Community Development. As shown, I have listed the goals of my project as well as the ideals I considered as part of the Green New Deal. To the right, you can see the area where I designed my project. As a part of my research, I created a timeline of the Santa Clara Pueblo beginning in the 1500s and lasting till present day. For my site analysis research, I created a map of existing site analysis features, a soil map of the site, and a figure study diagram. Below these maps, I've created a flora ecology study diagram of the site for both the top of the plateau as well as the Santa Clara Creek riparian area. The illustrative site plan here shows the circulation throughout the site as well as the placement of the community development area. My design has been broken into phases. Phase 1 being the community village, phase 2 being the entrance and approach, and phase 3 being the cliff housing units and hiking and biking trails. The first set of precedent images shows the ideas that I intended for phase 1. The second set of precedent images show the ideas I intended for phase 2. The third set of precedent images show the ideas I intended for phase 3. The beginning of my design process started with designing and drawing conceptual designs. Below are conceptual designs for site plans of all the phases. There's also section diagrams of the village and plaza area, the viewpoint areas, and the cliff housing areas. For my third and final board, I have my final design ideas for the community development area. You can see here the overhead view of the site. To the right of the overhead, we can see the site plan view. My design for the site was to include aspects that pre-existed in this area. Within this plaza, we have a large circular field surrounded by circular seating. Above this seating, we have shade covers. From the site plan view of the shade covers in the center field, we recognize the Pueblo symbol for the sun. This is a very important symbol to the Pueblo, and this design pays tribute to the culture, tradition, and beliefs of these people in many ways. The next area of this board includes my perspective images. These images include the Kiva Step planter and seating area, the 360-degree stadium plaza and seating, and the storefront and merchant area. The next set of images include the entrance road with Kiva arches and the large viewpoint area. My final design elements of my project are shown through section views. The section views include the storefront and merchant area, the 360 stadium plaza seating, and the entrance road with Kiva arches. Thank you for listening to my capstone presentation.